If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk Elite in hybrid blue. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5717.